given to us is 1 meter, and the outer radius that is given to us will be 1 meter plus 1 centimeter thickness is there. If 1 centimeter thickness is there, I have to convert in terms of meter. So 1 by 1 by 100 if I do it, then it will be equal to 1.01 meter. So outer radius will be equal to 1.01 meter. Now you want volume of iron. So if you want volume of iron, then volume of iron will be equal to external volume, that I'll keep it as capital V, minus internal volume. बाहर का वॉल्यूम माइनस अंदर का वॉल्यूम. तो बाहर का वॉल्यूम के लिए फॉर्मूला I'll write it as 4/3 pi r cube minus 4/3 pi small r cube. Now what is common here is 4/3 pi is common. So what remains in the bracket is r cube minus r cube. R cube minus r cube. So that means what? If you try to solve it, 4/3 into 22/7 into the radius given to us is 1.01 whole cube minus 1 whole cube. So this if you solve it, then what is that you are going to get is 4/3 into 22/7 into 1.01 whole cube. 1.01 whole cube is 1.03, 03 and 01 minus 1 point this much of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 zeros I'll have to put. So what is it? 1.01 whole cube is 1.03, 03, 01 whole cube minus 1.00. So this if you simplify, what is that you are going to get is 4/3 into 22/7 into this 1.030301 minus 1 is equal to what? 0.03, 0.03, 03 and 01 is 88. 88 multiplied by 0.03, 03 and 01 divided by 21. So this if you get it, if you multiply this, then what is that you are going to get? 1.333244 divided by 21. And this if you further simplify it, then you are going to get 0.06348. This much of grams. This much of grams. 0.06348 grams is the answer that you are finally going to get. Now the next question says, find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154. You are given the volume of, you want to find out the volume of a sphere. And if you want to find out the volume of a sphere, they have given you the surface area. That means what? From the surface area you have to find the volume, and for calculating the volume you know the formula 2/3 pi r cube. So let us find out first the radius. So surface area given to us is 154. So if you want to find out the radius from the surface area, then the formula is 4 pi r square is equal to 154, and this will be equal to 4 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by radius square is equal to 154. So radius square will be equal to 154 multiplied by 7 by 22 multiplied by 1/4. So this is equal to 22 1s are 22, 22 7s are 154. So radius square is equal to 7 into 7 divided by 4, and that will be equal to what? Square root of 49 divided by 4, and that is equal to how much? 7/2 centimeters. So what is this? What I have done is, from the surface area I have calculated the radius. Now after getting the radius, I will calculate the volume. Now you know the formula for volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is 3 pi r cube. So that is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 multiplied by radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So this if you simplify, let us see what is that you are going to get. 7 cancels with 7, 2 2s are 4 can be cancelled, 2 1s are 2 can be cancelled with 11s are. So what we are going to get is 11 multiplied by 49 divided by 3. This if you multiply, 11 9s are 99, carry 9, 11 4s are 44, 44 plus 9 is 53 divided by 3. 53 divided by 3, and this if you just simplify, 539 if you divide by 3, then what is that you are going to get is 179 integer 2 by 3 cubic centimeter. I hope you can very easily divide this 539 by 3. 539 को आप जब 3 से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा 179 इंटीजर 2 by 3 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. ये आपका क्या होगा? ये आपका होगा वॉल्यूम. तो यानी हमने क्या किया यहाँ पर, सरफेस एरिया हमको दिया है, सरफेस एरिया से रेडियस निकाला और रेडियस से हमने क्या किया, वॉल्यूम निकाला. डूम ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए हेमिस्फीयर. फ्रॉम इनसाइड इट वाज व्हाइटवॉश्ड एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ रुपीज 498.96 यानी 498 रुपीज़ 96 पैसे. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inner curved surface area of the dome and volume of air present in the dome. See here, if I want inner curved surface area, then what I'll do is, डूम को टोटल वाइट वॉश करने के लिए पैसे लगे थे इतने, और हिसाब क्या है, 2 रुपये के हिसाब से है. तो इसको अगर 2 से मैं डिवाइड करूंगा तो मुझे मिलेगा रूम का इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. तो हम उसके लिए फॉर्मूला आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया के लिए टोटल कॉस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय रेट ऑफ वाइट वॉशिंग. सो टोटल कॉस्ट आप जानते हो 498 रुपीज़ 96 पैसे डिवाइडेड बाय 2 आप कीजिए तो ये होगा 2 2 ज़ा 4 होगा, 2 4 ज़ा 8 होगा, 2 9 ज़ा 18 होगा, देन अगेन 2 4 ज़ा 8 एंड 2 8 ज़ा 16. तो ये दिस मच ऑफ व्हाट इज़ इट इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया होगा स्क्वायर मीटर्स के अंदर. अब वी गॉट द इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, मगर रेडियस हमको चाहिए क्योंकि वॉल्यूम हमें ढूंढना है. तो इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला आप जानते हो बच्चों, 2 pi r स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 249.48. ये हमको इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया दिया है. तो 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 22/7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रेडियस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 249.48. तो रेडियस स्क्वायर अगर आपको चाहिए तो 249.48 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7/22 एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1/2. तो लेट अस ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस एंड लेट अस ट्राई टू गेट द आंसर फॉर इट. तो आप देखिए यहाँ पर एक काम, विल डू वन थिंग, 11 2s are 22 विल राइट हियर एंड देन हियर 11 2s are 22 कैरी 2 29 होगा, 11 2s are 22 कैरी होगा 7 74 होगा, 11 6s are 66 कैरी 8 होगा एंड 11 8s are is 88. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट, 22.68 आपको मिल रहा है. फिर इसको अगर कैंसिल कर सकते हैं तो आप उसको कीजिए, 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22, 2 3s are 2 4s are. फिर अगेन आप इसको कैंसिल कीजिए, व्हाट विल गेट इज 2 5s are 10 कैरी 1, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are आपको मिलेगा 14. तो ये आपको मिलेगा कुल मिलाकर 5.67 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर. तो आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 7 7 जा 49 कैरी 4, 7 6 जा 42 प्लस 4 इज 46 कैरी 4, 7 5 जा 35 प्लस 4 इज 39. So r square is equal to 39.69. So this is what you are going to get. So r अगर आपको चाहिए तो r will be equal to square root of 39.69 and that is equal to 6.3 meters. Now what you want is you want the volume of air. So volume of air is equal to, see it is a dome, cubical dome is there. So the formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this if you try to simplify, 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. So it is volume of air is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 multiplied by 22 by 7 into 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. So this if you try to simplify children, 3 ones are 3 you can get, 3 into 2.1 you will get. Then again this is 7 ones are 7 and this is 0.9. So the finally what you are going to get here is 2 multiplied by 22 that is equal to 44. So 44 into 2.1 into 0.9 into 6.3. So this you have to multiply 2 into 22 into 2.1 into 0.1 into 6.9 is equal to 523.9 cubic meters. This much of air will be accommodated in the dome. डूम के अंदर इतना एयर अकोमोडेट होगा.